What is going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I create viral coins, how I launch them, and how I make money by doing so. I will be showing you the exact steps that you have to take to make a coin go viral and actually make the coin, right? All in this video. It will be done live. So let's get straight into it, bro. I am not here to sell you anything. Now here's the exact reason why I hate trading and why a couple months ago I started creating my own coins instead. It's because every single time I bought a coin on chain, bro, that coin went to zero and it made me mad. I lost a lot of money during the long run. So I started creating my coins myself and I started launching these coins to actually sell after and make money like that, okay? The truth is that most people that are making money in this space without risking anything are the devs. The devs are making so much money and I joined them, so I would highly recommend everyone to start deving, right? I find it that it's way more fun, it's way easier, and it's honestly way more profitable than trading. Obviously, I don't condone any financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. That's my personal opinion. I've made a shit ton of money from creating coins. That's why I'm making this video. I will be exposing the method, but yeah, let's get straight into it. And like I said, bro, this entire video does not condone any financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Do your own research. Now look, I personally make all my coins not on Pump.Fun, but I launch them on Raydium, and there is a reason why. The migrate section, also known as Raydium, has more volume and more attention, so when the coin migrates, bro, it gets a bunch of buyers naturally because of all the raw attention. But if you launch on Pump.Fun, there's a high chance that that coin flops and it gets no buyers because it's oversaturated. Like, look at this, bro. Like, most of these coins, they go nowhere. Like 4K market cap, that's bullshit. You know, like most of these coins, they go nowhere. That's why I launched on Raydium. Now to make a coin on Raydium, bro, you have to be using memecreate.io. By launching here, that coin will go to Raydium, reaching a bunch of people to potentially buy your coin. And if you try to launch to Raydium using Pump.Fun, it might be a bit tricky because of the migration price. It has to reach a 30k market cap for it to migrate to Raydium, and that is really likely to not happen. So instead, use create meme.io. Now to make a coin here, you can either create a coin from scratch, like all the dev websites, or you can copy coins. I've made all my money from copying coins because instead of creating a whole new narrative coin from scratch on chain, you can just copy one that's working. All these coins are all gaining a bunch of attention on Pump.Fun. Like maybe I could find a couple of coins that are here on chain. I don't know, bro, but yeah, oh yeah, this one, YOLO Trade Zone, it got migrated, right? Someone used memecreate.io to make it here. So you can just copy coins and relaunch it to Raydium. Let me show you how. But anyways, guys, now it's time to make money from deving. I will do a live example right now to show you how it's done. No bullshit, okay? No courses. I'm gonna show you right now. Let's see if I could make a quick bag, right? So connect your Phantom Wallet, right? And then look for a coin to create. I'm gonna just copy one that I like. So the max coin. Click on copy to Raydium. Your phantom will show up, right? Ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm, and then the coin will be created shortly. Just wait a bit, okay? It's going to load. Come on. Bang. Now let's create the liquidity pool. Now here obviously is where we create our liquidity pool. Like that, the coin can go live on memecreate.io to Raydium, right, and reach a bunch of people to buy in our coin, okay? Now for the supply, click on 90%. I do that for all my coins, 90%. For the amount of SOL, put anywhere from 0.3 to 1.5 SOL. In between there is enough, okay? You are not going to lose this. If you want this back at the end, you can, okay? You need to put this in to exchange for some supply for yourself. Now click on create pool. Your phantom is going to show up once again. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm and understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button and then scroll down and the coin is on live, okay? Your P&L is going to be right there. And if you want to see how much you're up on your coin, you can. You can click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see, we're up $243, okay? Now, go on Photon, go on Axiom, go on Nova, go wherever you want. to see your coin at, and then the coin should be live right here. Yes sir, it's live. Let me go in the 1 second time frame to see it closer, and as you guys can see, the volume is pumping in. So many people are buying on your coin. This is actually fucking insane. Look at this, bro. Oh my god, guys, so many people are buying in. We're at the 3.2k market cap, 1.6k liquidity, bro. Yo, this is insane, okay? So many people are aping in, and this is exactly what I mean, okay? Like, deving is so insane. Like, bro. Okay, it's dumping a bit, but we're still up like 500 bucks, maybe even more. I'm gonna let this coin ride. I'm gonna let this coin pump. When I come back, I'll show you how much I made. Yo, what is going on, guys? I am back, and we are up a lot of money. Like, look at this. Like, I'm pretty sure we're up a lot, like based on my experience. But anyways, come back to memecreate.io, and then obviously, bro, click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see, we're up $2,400 in USD. That is insane in my opinion, okay? That is a lot from 10 minutes of doing nothing, okay? Now click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity. Your phantom is going to show up once again for like a third or fourth time. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm. And bang, bro! I just showed you exactly how to dev a meme coin. And look at my phantom wallet. Bang, the money is there, okay? 28 so straight inside my phantom wallet. It's obviously all for educational purposes only. It's up to you if you want to start doing this, but if you are going to start diving, bro, and doing this method, you have to stay consistent. Launch 10 20 coins if you have to reach 10k. It's all for educational purposes only. Memecreate.io will be linked down below, bro. I am not affiliated with them, but they're the best. Peace out.